What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So, guys, I want to say something very, very important. It's been on my mind for some time, so I'm like, let me say it now. You know, I make reactions on comedy videos from artists, from comedians. You understand? So I want to use this opportunity to ask you guys. You understand? You know, we already know popular ones like Sabinus, like Kiriku, like funnybros, but there are all these comedians, these content creators that are not popular yet, and you see them, you see me make their videos, you understand, and you also see their names, you see a lot of their names, their handles on their videos. Please, I will encourage you guys to follow those guys, follow them. Some of them are on YouTube, some of them are on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Please endeavor to follow them, help them grow. Please help them grow. You understand? It's very, 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 very important. You understand? So, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Got big. Shut up! Look the one there, big.
Put it now, idea. With the first stubbornness.
You know about this.
What's going on?
Idering.
Hello.
Hello. We are kidnappers. We have kidnapped your brother.
Jesus. Kidnappers?
Yes. If you want to see your brother alive, you must give us 50 million. Hey!
Wow, shoot him.
Give my brother phone.
May I give your brother phone?
Yes.
What your brother phone?
When I never see when I go kidnap, when I no get work.
Kiriku, I beg, see, they don't kidnap me, I beg. See, you need to find with me to carry me come for you. I beg you look for money.
I'll go calm down.
Okay, I dey calm down.
You know what you do? I don't want you to. You say, who are you? I'm the choosing one.
You say?
I don't want you to. You say, who are you? I'm the choosing one.
Okay. Who are you? I'm the choosing one. Jesus.
Yeah.
What have I done with myself? You not made talk that 4 times. They talk at once. The boy had already ate.
Shot my husband again. The gun could not penetrate. Then shot him the third one. Then shot him the fourth one.
70 years old man.
That boy we play today joke.
You think it's a joke?
He even scored 3 goals.
Ima? See this boy, you. Shabi, I don't tell you, man, you know they go play this boy again. If you break this leg, who go treat you? All the suffer where they suffer, they go market, they walk up and down. So that I go get money to train you for school. Give me this ball.
Mama, I scored hat-trick today after they play ball.
Shut up, your man. I go flog you hat-trick for you.
Mama, wait.
Let's have it.
Mama, see.
Who give you this money? I bet you done that thief.
Mama, for free. You tell me so you go train me for school. You tell me I sabi play ball. So you can touch me this money. Mama, take.
Hell. See money, you. My son, my son no see me. I've always known that you make me proud. Always a proud mother can go. Let's go inside. I cook rice. Don't eat it.
You don't give him money now. You don't forget. You don't forget. So you won't vlog. We're in board. You don't throw it in board. What's going on here?
Let's have it.
Miracle. Don't they tire Jesus?
Chelsea, Galatasaray. Which kind of nonsense match you know?
Mercy for us.
Hey, Mama, what did you do for you?
Hey, my pikin, you no matter who.
Hey, bra. Now, Max, bro.
Home, go and make me proud. Hey,
Mama na bra you put for your face, so no be Max.
Let's have it.
Hey.
You think it's a joke?
You have made me proud. Thank you.
Let's have it.
Mama, you forgot to wash your brow.
Oh, it is smell.
70 years old man.
It is smell. What's going on here?
Stand up. I just finished marking your exams now.
Hey!
And I found out that all of you wrote the same thing.
Oh.
Where is Adam and Jim?
So we are here.
Especially both of you. Hey! Now explain to me, why did all of you write the same thing in your exams?
Are you playing? Sir, because you taught us the same thing.
Hey!
We will handicap.
Now the same thing you teach them now, so they have to write the same thing.
Come, please. Now my internet, the data don't finish again. Help me subscribe. My pikin send me card. Internet data not dey reach again. No, don't finish.
I don't do 5 gig.
Oh, 5 gig.
For 1 month.
Well, oh, thank you. Now user come my pikin for WhatsApp video. And you follow banner. Look, that's money. You there? Come on. No, my dear. I beg. Now your guy dey help me subscribe before. It not say when help me subscribe. No. Data don't finish. I better me check to be very sure. Say na data finish. Say no be network problem.
How many of you use this data?
Over how many of them? No be only me want them attack. No, let me want the user. I be people dey use am.
Hotspot.
Hotspot. People go connect. Many people.
Many people collect. I bet check. Who be the people who connect?
Pluto 1.
Jehovah. Jesus. Hey! No wonder. Pluto.
Your data don't finish again. Now I don't tell you, they do better MB. They do 10-15K go the last you for a month.
Hey, shut up your mouth there. What be Pluto 1? Now they bring your you come. Now you show me just now. What be Pluto 1? What be Pluto 2? What be Pluto 3? So because I say make you help me subscribe.
You don't mess your girl.
You go just begin on the hotspot, they connect all your device. I Pluto.
All the data when I don't pay back is there. You are paying it to do. Excuse me, get money.
Pluto. You be Pluto 1, Pluto 2, Pluto 3, Pluto 4. Listen to me, Pluto 5. You don't get inside.
And you can't go tell all of them maybe Pluto 1 to 4. Abi. No,
okay.
Get money.
Oh, that's money you said they connect. Wow! What they not worry? All the data one I don't use since. You now go who pay me. Like look up.
This dirty money no get sense. Dirty money you no get sense. What you want to
take her, she's a warrior.
I dey go take her junction.
Oh yeah now.
Take us junction. What you want go take, Mumu?
What happen? I want check whether police dey here. They come.
Let's have it.
Hey! Okay, police in this place. So any problem? I carry him go. Bring her. Get me keep her. You get me keep her. Bring her come. Yeah now. Back! Wait, my park here.
Mommy!
I try find that thing. Say una dey crazy. Say na because I park for now. Okay. What's your mouth? A government property abi. So what am I then? Idiot. And so you dey always talk. Your one shirt you dey always dey wear. Come, where you dey since all this while? This police work tire me small. I say make I take 1 month leave at least to assist my family with the jama. Wait, so how this fuel matter do they affect you? Una carry loss come. Hey! Anyway, now everybody that affect everybody. Alright.
My police carry am.
I love that. Anything for we? When I leave this one, now Igbo you dey carry waka. Igbo dey my pocket. I dey carry and they go station like this.
Hey.
What is last deal I give you? You said to me inside for this one. Trust me. I never see work since morning. Oh yeah, now we are. I go know wetin be blast for office.
Blast.
This is where they come on in a spiritual. So you want to know how to take escape the accident? Yes, now. My brother, they waka for road. That Dangote trailer don't come. He dey very close to me. You mean him? He won't hit me. I look right. I don't know what I go do. The next thing now I shout, I'm a choosing. You Dangote trailer. Who are you? The next thing now I see bed. You know parrot, this small bed. Bed. Come fly. Come carry me. Come off for road. Come drop me another place. I say drop me 9 come out. I can't tell him bye bye. He tell me bye bye. I can't pay him flight money.
You pay flight money?
I pay for flights now. I'm a choosing. Who are you?
I'm a choosing.
Collect. So this is what I give you now. Nowadays, so before you use them, shout, I'm a choosing. Who are you?
No be available to pound.
No, not be available. That one don't go. So if you shout out, if they shoot you bullets, the knife, anything, you gonna be high.
Bullet and knife.
You gonna do kind. They go shoot me bullet and knife. And now you go to do kind. Just shout, make sure say shout, I'm a choosing. Okay, I'm a choosing. If you don't shout anything,
shout them 3 times.
I'm a choosing. Who are you? You feel them. Okay. Thank you, Baba.
No, you don't give him all this shit.
You can stop pushing me. I'm leaving already now. What's your problem? Is it my fault that I'm sleeping? If I get rest of men for us, I'll come church, can't sleep. House no good. I reach house of God, I get rest of men, I sleep. You tell me to make I stand up for full congregation. I'm a baby. For where small children, they make I can't stand up. I know started saying I did go house or I know go house before. The Chris. Who did you think you are, Steph? For my father's house, I did sleep. You say make me stand up. You don't want me to sleep for God's house. Now rest of men. It doesn't not get peace of mind for the house of God. I don't go sleep. So let me go back to let me go. I'll go house. God there everywhere. God there my house. Don't blame me. It will say country. I know country can't sleep. But for the get rest of mind for my house. When I see one, I'll see me here next Sunday.
You go stick on my Sabinus. What's going on here? Spider-Man. I'm Robot, Spider-Man. Superman, I am Moto.
Jesus. Jesus.
Hey! This Spider-Man no get sense.
Jesus.
What are you doing here?
Jealous
What am
wife.
I doing here? I'm meant to see my brother and I'm wet now, all thanks to you.
Hey, I'm sorry. I never knew it was you.
What? Your wife just poured water on me.
Hey, I didn't know she was the one. She was wearing glasses. I thought it was somebody else.
So you were thinking it was...
Well, I'm glad you are not blind. And I want to check the gate before pouring water on people.
Timmy, it's okay, alright? It's okay, it's fine. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's just that it has been on her head for a while now. So please, just bear with me. My apologies. Please, it won't repeat itself.
It's better not. I'm already feeling cold. I need to go and change.
Sorry, tell me. It won't happen again. Can you just say that?
Alive, isn't it so?
I'm ready to go for my job interview. Please give me transport.
I don't understand. Or maybe Zijaki, did I send you to anywhere? Give you transport as again.
Want to support me again when I need support? Are you not my wife?
Support you, boy. Yeah, support you as what? As Liverpool for Chelsea. Okay, I home poor. Make I know you this my dirty hand now.
Now, Mr. Life, now no be again.
Don't support me again. Are you not my wife?
Which wife? As you dey like this now, only BBL and small thing go make you be woman. Because as long as I'm concerned, this family, I'm the man there. One man and I'm your husband. Because how you gonna go job interview for transport? Oh, poverty there, make it. I'm off here. Let me just give you so that it will not look like when you go outside. Now, say, look at Mama Emeka. Why in it? Look at her husband trekking on the streets. I'm off here. You better bring my change. Macho, wanna change macho. Now you
help me.
Let's see. Beg away, get pride.
I'll go for this interview and I will get the job. And my story will change. My story will change. Don't worry.
And I'm off here. This year should be like say you're steady. They change in the next 10 years. Poverty, your people. It's already in your blood. But you are living this side. When people they marry men, see what I marry. I marry hunchback. And those one are no husband. And you're hunchback. Hey.
This is why your mouth no good. So today now, Mr. Life, no be Meko again.
What is it? What is the problem? What have I not done for her? I buy her wig, I buy her handbag, I pay her school fees, I pay her house rent, I give her money for upkeep, I even gather all the money in my account, and I bought her a car. Why would you follow this?
And now your head correct.
God help me now that day. God help me.
You're receiving breathing fresh breeze under the coconut tree. I just finished making breakfast. Wesley, let me come and call you now, so you come and eat.
I did not even tell you. Last night I had a very sweet dream. In that dream, we were in a party. In this party, we see food. Rice, turkey, jollof rice, a pounded yam, a goosey soup, everything. I ate. As I'm talking to you now, my stomach is full. I'm not even hungry.
So you literally for at the other side.
So much food. I'm not hungry. Maybe I'll.
You don't fear poison.
So you will not eat the food I prepared, the food your wife prepared.
No, I'm full already.
You don't fear poison because of the nonsense where you talk.
No problem. So that means you not eat the food I prepared.
No, I'm fine.
You fear poison. Look at that.
Oh, Meka.
You see they here they read. I don't cook finish. You'll come make you chop so we'll go sleep. The children don't almost sleep finish.
No, I don't even tell you.
Let's have it.
For that party, we'll go for my dream where I eat belefu and I don't eat for morning. I can't take away for that party.
Allah, nourish your side.
I will take you and eat this night. It will make my belly don't full.
So you don't chop belefu.
I'll be okay.
You don't go chop the one I cook.
No worry, no.
Go do they come inside now. They wait for you.
Why, Oma? My lovely wife.
You break. You still fear to enter house.
Come inside. I just finished preparing your food.
They don't
so you can take your medicine.
Look, I don't even know what's doing me. For the past 25 years, I've not been feeling hungry.
But I'm not the laugh.
My stomach full. Oh, I am fine,
You are not hungry. Don't worry, One day you eat in this house. Just one day. Just one.
You say woman, hey, woman a cupboard, woman a condemn, woman a acid, woman a everything, woman fit kill you. Woman was past that door, make policeman carry you.
Hey! Okay, Lord, I go pay you your house rent. Okay, Lord, you want to pick this money?
I'm not gonna pick them before waiting the worry this one.
So I wish I know they here now before pick this money. Okay, Lord, I don't witness something with my two koro eyes. Person pick money for ground, it turn yam.
No! It turn yam!
It turn yam, sacrifice.
What a wicked word! I'll not be that person. Make a kukuma pick up.
Oh, God, Lord, leave this money. This money, they smell sacrifice. You know the person, fam? If you pay this money, you go turn yam. It's sure for me. Oh, God, Lord, make it just go. Make we leave this money, make we go. Hey! If they say make we count this money now, if you not reach 2,000 naira, China 2,000 naira be your problem. Think am.
No wahala, don't listen to you, my pikin. Now better person you be. Make we go, make we leave the money for here.
Because I not go fit dey here now. You can't pick money turn yam. It not go make sense. What I go talk reach out? Huh? Say Ogalalo pick money turn yam. The story not clear.
Now new 500 naira note.
Now new money oh. Now new one oh. Okay, Papa. I want to buy something for here. I go meet you for house.
I know wahala koya.
Oh boy. See the work when I apply for this man. Old man, want to compare yourself with a young boy. Now you don't see sense now. More money will not reach me to buy anything. I mean, you want to share. Not go happen. Make I go pick up. Oh boy, yeah. I use that one today.
Jesus!
Money don't go.
Now for here the money day before. Who can't take them?
Now what did they find for there? If not that money where they grant, I don't pick up. Now I take back with you, I take the top. As you say, I not fit pick the money for your present. I don't pick up for your absence.
For your absence.
Go ya.
This old man.
Jesus.
This man always use your brain. I don't know when you will get sense. Please share this video.
We are going to KFC.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, from KFC, we are going home.
You don't want?
No. I won't go.
Why?
I'm on my period.
You on your period? And you don't want chop KFC. Get down, I beg.
Bibini.
Oh God, though, this one sounds, should I say, it's crazy. It's really, really crazy. Like, I don't understand. What do I even want to say about this particular one? Say, should I say, unless she's not your girlfriend, maybe, unless she's someone you're meeting for the very first time, because if she's your girlfriend, I don't think that should be an issue, because you know, say she always the day on period, steady, or once, sometimes in a month, you get. So, on my period, it doesn't mean, at the end of the day, it depends on the conversation, or depending on who the girl is and who you yourself are. I don't have issues with girls being on period, but anyway, everybody with their own problem. I don't see a problem with it. If you want carry person go out, carry and go out. You understand? It shouldn't be because you want knack or something. Even if you want knack, you don't have to take a girl out to knack her. You understand? Not be most. So anyways, thanks for sticking to the very end. Like I said before this video, please check out all these comedians, like all these content creators. Check out their page, follow them. You know, they have so much content on their page. You understand? I just pick and then I show you guys. Anyways, where do you like most in this particular compilation? Drop it in the comment section below, and you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Subscribe if you're yet to, guys, and share this video. So see you in the next one. Peace out.